There is nothing its mother can do but follow it down. One last chick. Perfect launch. And a controlled drop. This is as good a descent as it's possible to make. Its parents are there to meet it. A little dazed, perhaps, but all in one piece. One gosling, at least, hasn't made it. And this chick appears to be in a bad way. At last, it responds to its mother's calls. The resilience of a barnacle goose chick is extraordinary. But there are still chicks unaccounted for, somewhere amongst the rubble. The parents can't risk searching because they need to lead their two survivors away quickly before predators arrive. A third one has made it. But it needs to catch up. Reunited. 3 out of 5 chicks have made it. Without such a dramatic start in life, it's unlikely any of them would have even got this far. These chicks will face more dangers in the future, but only 2 days old, they've already survived the greatest challenge of their lives.